On that note, I think we'll have to, close this very interesting discussion here. Formally, we can still, have that opportunity to network and meet with each other at some refreshments. Yes,
before we end, I'll just quote Abdul Kalam Azad, and Abdul Kalam Azad, one of India's ex-prime minister and renowned scientist. Sorry, President. He said that we say that our government is inefficient. We say that our laws are too old. We say that the municipality does not pick up the garbage. We say that the phones don't work and the railways are a joke. We say that the mails never reach their destination. We say, but what do we do about it? Through this event, all of us, let's do something about it.
That's right.
And I'd like to add from a book called Wings of Fire, which was the autobiography of Dr. Kalam. He mentioned the taste of the sugar. How do you know the sugar is sweet? It is through the interaction of your tongue with the sugar. It means the experiences you have. So it's a very profound book. I would like everybody to read it if it's possible. Where he says is the experience matter. It's all about leadership, taking ownership, taking accountability, and making our difference. If one individual can make a difference, a second individual can make a difference, a third individual can make a difference. Together, what we form is the power of mass. And that's what India needs, and that's what it needs to take India to the next step ahead. And that's what I believe we, as a whole, through Transformation Plus, through Mokudu, we would be taking these views through them, through the social media, across to the right area, and we can only do our best. We can only do what we have control on, and the rest is, you leave it on God.
Now, it was good that you mentioned sugar and taste at the end, because what we've got is since this is a celebration, we've got cakes to celebrate. Prabir, perhaps it's more appropriate for you to say so, but I'll say on your behalf, it is the second birthday anniversary for Transformation Plus. So a big.
Can I ask my transformation team to come here, please? Chamu, Prabjeet, come here, Patrick, Amit, Leena.
And since we are also celebrating the spirit of the Commonwealth Games via this joint meetup, we also have Mokudu and Transformation Plus as the facilitators for that.
Okay.
So who's going to cut the cake, Praveen?
Come on. Let me first introduce. This Transformation Plus was formed on 7th of February 2009.
Wrong date, not the anniversary then.
Yeah, that was an idea. The conceptualization was done through these three guys. The guy standing behind me is my life coach, Patrick Kuraya. Chamu is a great friend. We three decided to do something, and ultimately in October, today was the date when we got this registered, and we formally pumped this ahead. Amit has joined me midway as an assistant organizer. Leena is basically the event coordinator. And I have my very good friend Prabjeet, who is the co-organizer of the meetup. She's the one who always comes on time and helps me to get the thing, and she works on the operating procedures, etc. And they are very much strategy. She is a branding and marketing lead, and he looks after me and makes sure that I am sane. So thank you guys, and
thanks from the transformation team, thanks from the Mokudu team as well, Ashish and myself, Shishir. Both of us, we should perhaps stand here as a joint meetup rather than create that difference. So now the difficult question is, there are 10 of us and only 2 cakes, but we'll ask all of you to cut the cake.
All of us got one.
One
knife,
Oh, let's start with this one then. All of us.
We have a life. There's a little child behind. I think we're talking about the future of India and all.
Yes, why don't we get the little child to cut the cake?
Oh. Little child was not shying away.
10 months.
I thought I had some part to play in the future of India. Let's
create some
future of India is sleeping.
I sleep, is it?
There should be
I think that's a 9-10, so I think so.
Yeah, that's all of us.
Yeah.
Why don't
You
we?
do it. Okay.
You want me to hold it?
Should I do? I'll do it then.
Yeah, why not?
Okay.
It doesn't matter who does it.
Okay, one.
Give a big hand, guys. Refreshment outside as well. So, guys, come on, stand up, feel happy, time to move. Gunjan.
Please help yourselves outside with a bite of cake and drinks.